Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll show you how to cut music on any Android mobile phone. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into this. Alright, head over to your Player App Store and you want to search for an MP3 cutter and then click enter and then scroll down, and on the fourth position here where it says MP3 cutter and ringtone cutter by InShoot, click into that one, click on install, and now it's downloading and installing. Wait for that to load. Alright, once that's downloaded and installed, click on open, and now click on the blue MP3 cutter, click on allow, click on allow again. Alright, it would automatically bring open all of your audio tracks, but you can search for it if you click on the magnifying glass or click in the folders like so. But for this example, I'm just going to click on book the rental with it, and it gives you a little demonstration here how to do this, but I'll show you directly. Alright, so it's a matter of moving these blue lines like so, make it smaller or bigger, what part of the track you want to keep. I might just keep this little bit here, and then click on trim sides. Sorry, I meant trim middle, like that, and then click on save, and then give the file a name. I'm just going to do test1, and you can choose what format, MP3 or AAC, the bitrate. I'm just going to leave it the same here, and then click on convert. And now if I press play, and there you go, that's how to trim songs on your Android mobile device. Just have a play around with the trimming tool here, and yeah, that's all you need to do. Alright, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.